These hats are in right now. Wait. Okay.
Jaman never say him a saint yet. He is one of the artists. He's one of the artists that has come out right and talk about all the stuff that he has done and actually changed his life and showed it.
Color wheel and this and that, but I believe it was orange. I can't really remember. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wow. Okay.
So that's Bronze Glow. Ooh, excuse me, guys. I think I'm coming down with a cold, unfortunately. This one is in Mauve Glow. I'll swatch this one too. Ooh, sorry, guys.
Excuse me. Something odd about me. Okay.
But you already know this, but listen, check this out. I've been going all day, you've been going all day, I've been handling some things for you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just get straight to it, because one thing about me, I'm gonna get straight to it. That's all I do. Bless you. I got a surprise for you, but something like a surprise, but not.
I just need dab. So
It's cold, man. It's 37. Not that bad, actually. I shouldn't sneeze in my hand. I need to get my... But,